favorite things. So today I have another unboxing. Yeah. but to be fair, we just finished the holiday season, so there was a lot of things on sale, especially on the pre-loved market. I noticed that this past year, 2019, there was sale going on in Fashionphile, Rebags, Yoogi'S Closet. So let me back up. Okay, so when holidays hit, I was looking at Fashionphiles, and I will link my video below, but I did an unboxing of things that I bought for sale on Fashionphile, and I bought a Hermès shawl from Fashionphile outlet. I got it for a fantastic price. And then I also bought Speedy bandolier size 20 in Empreinte leather. And when I opened the Speedy bandolier size 20, I was so happy, and I love that bag. That is a fantastic bag for how I use my bag. My husband said, okay, that's your Christmas present. And this is what usually happens, right? He doesn't go look for a Christmas present for me. He's like, I find it for myself. And then he says, okay, that's my present to you. But that's because we've been doing this. We've been married for over 30 years, and you know, that's what happens. But anyway, so I got that, and I thought, that's it, I'm not buying anymore. But then I also had signed up for Yoogi'S Closet mailing list, and when you sign up for their mailing list, they give you a $75, let's see, is it $75? Yes, $75 coupon, right? So, but there's a limit as to when you have to use that $75 coupon for. And then for me, it was December 31. So, and you had to buy something that was over $500. So immediately I started looking at Yoogi'S Closet for something just over $500 so that I can get the most bang for the buck and get $75 off. And I searched and searched and searched, and guess what I got? I got the Burberry Brit moto jacket in lambskin, but it is a heavy jacket. One thing about this jacket is that it's a really heavy jacket. I think it's a really good fit for me, and I sort of guessed on the fit because I've never tried this on. But I know that Yoogi'S Closet, if you buy it and if it doesn't work out for you, you can return it for free. So I thought, why not? What do I have to lose, right? So I ordered it, and it was, I know this cost because I was really working hard to get just over $500. So it was $565, and I got $75 off. So I paid $490, and guess what? For Yoogi'S Closet, because I don't live in Washington, I don't even know the tax code for Washington State, but I didn't even have to pay tax. There was no shipping fee. That was just the final cost, and usually with Fashionphile, I have to pay tax, and that could be pretty significant when you're talking about items of this kind of cost. So I was really, really thrilled. And then when it came, it was packaged well, but I go on. Okay, so I'm gonna put a clip of me opening it. It still has a tag on. It still has a tag on. Huh? No, it's not. You can't. You have to cut off this tag. Okay. Oh no, you could slide it off. This is a size medium. Oh! Wait a minute. It fits okay. So then, while I was looking for that, I also got a notice that Yoogi'S Closet was having a 10% discount on all your purchase.
Is it all your purchase or just one of your purchases?
I think it was all your purchase. So I thought, okay, why not? Why don't I look for something that I have been kind of eyeing? So I searched and searched, and somehow I came upon this. And those of you who follow me on my Instagram, I will link my Instagram below, already know what I got. Ta-da! It's the Evelyn PM3. It's the one with the adjustable strap, and the back pocket, or the front pocket, because they say that's front. And this is so comfortable. But I found this for, I can't remember the exact cost, but I know it was under $2,000. Normally these run in somewhere from 2,000-ish to upper 2,000s, right? Especially this was in like new condition. So I immediately grabbed it. I want to say it was $1,850 or $1,950, and then I got 10% off of that. So, and no tax. So I immediately ordered it, and again I was sort of assured with the fact that if it wasn't to my liking, that I could return it. It came with a dust bag. So let me just tell you about my experience in using, because it's been a little while since I've been using this.
Well, not that long. It's only been a couple weeks.
So this jacket, it looks fantastic. It's very warm. It's lambskin. It's very well made, and it was in like new condition. In fact, I think there was like one little blemish I saw when I first unboxed it, but it wasn't anything to, and I got it for such a good price. I think these run for almost $2,000-ish, $1,500 to $2,000. I don't even know, but that's what I saw on the web, something like this. I saw an Evelyn bag from our local consignment store, and it was an Evelyn GM, and I thought that was too big on my frame, and they were asking somewhere in the 2,000s. So I have kind of kept an eye on it, but kind of not, But when I saw this for the price that they were advertising it for, I immediately grabbed it, and I am not regretting it at all. One of the things about this, as you know, whenever I do my videos, I like to do more than just unboxings and show, oh, here it is. I want to tell you something that I've learned in the process of purchasing this. When I got this, there's a date code right here, and I couldn't see it very clearly. I couldn't see some of the letters, but I couldn't see all the letters. And also the description on Yoogi'S closet, I think it said it was from 2014 or 2015. And Hermès, if you look at their how to authenticate kind of the section of Yoogi'S closet, it tells you what letters corresponds to what year of production. And it didn't seem to match. I couldn't find it. So, and I felt really uncomfortable. I know they guarantee authenticity or your money back. But unless I check it, I won't know whether it's really, really authentic. So I did some research, and I went to the premier authenticator for Hermès, according to what I've read from Facebook Hermès group, is Baba Baby. And I will link her website below. But I contacted her. She was really quick, and once I uploaded all the pictures on Google Drive, I got the answer within an hour. So it was really good, and she said it was authentic. So now I have two reputable sources telling me it's authentic, and I can tell that it's authentic. Not that that means anything. I feel very sure that this is authentic. Baba Baby, they charged me $75 to authenticate it, and I had to upload, like I said, many pictures, and then they told me a different date. It was. Sometimes what happens in the stamping is that the stamping becomes really faint, and it was very hard to see. They thought it was a little bit different. It was a different date than the one that Yoogi'S closet said. But it doesn't matter for me. As long as it's authentic, I don't care if it was produced in 2014 or 2011. So that said, this is blue jean color, and also one of the things, this is in Clemence leather. One of the things a lot of people say about this is that it's a big purse, and you can get things lost in it. But what I found is that I've used a bag organizer, but I actually only paid, I want to say, around $10 on eBay, but it's not quite perfect. When I got that Chanel GST, I was trying to save some money, and my husband says, why don't I just, buy the bag organizer that fits? Well,
I was trying to save some money.
Right now I have bag organizer that fits there. But I got this, and this didn't work out for that. But, the felt is felt. It's pretty good. It's okay. So I decided to sort of cut this up and sew it a little bit. I'm not a very good sewer, but, I can kind of sew crookedly. And I tried to make a bag organizer using the felt that I got from, and it's stiff, right? From eBay. And I made one for myself, and I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. See, there's a felt bag organizer right here. I made it. It doesn't quite, it fits on one side, but the other side right here, it's just, it's leather. I didn't do the measuring right, so obviously. But if you wanted to, I mean, it works, right? So when I put my stuff in it, it's not bulging. I'm not seeing little protruding things that sometimes could happen with this bag, because it's so soft. So it does protect the inside, and you don't see every little bulge of stuff that I keep in here. The other thing that I've used is the pochettes. Instead of having a bag organizer, sometimes I've used these two pochettes inside and use this as like a compartmental kind of stuff to organize this bag. But what's great about this bag is this back pocket. I love it because I can just put my phone in there and get easy access. And it's super comfortable. The only thing I'm not sure about this bag is this strap, because it is canvas and it's not even coated canvas, it's just cotton. So I am a little bit worried about how it's gonna fare. Like, for example, if I spill soy sauce or if I spill ice cream, because like when I'm walking around in Costco and they have all these samples, and I like
all those samples.
And if I happen to slurp on a ramen and it spills all over here, I've read that some people have put these in washing machine, but I don't know. I have to figure that out. If you guys know what to do, if you have this bag and you know how to clean these things, please tell me what to do in the description box below, because that's the only thing I worry about this bag. I think that's it. I am planning to do a video on my professional repair of or spa treatment of my Chanel GST in one of my next few YouTube videos, so look out for that. And I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.